Hello everyone, this is Teacher Anna. Welcome back to our 88 Learning Hub Daily Chinese video. Today we will learn how to use 有点儿. Because yesterday, a student ran into me and she said, 安娜老师，今天没下雨，我有点开心。有点开心。Guys, do you think this sentence is correct? 有点儿 a slight degree, when used as an adverbial adjunct before a verb or an adjective. 有点儿 denotes a slight degree and carries a touch of dissatisfaction. For example, 我有点咳嗽 I have a cough. 他有点不高兴 He's a little unhappy. 今天有点热 A bit hot today. All of them, we can find out that we can only use 有点 when expressing dissatisfaction or negative phase. So that's why we can only say like 我很开心 or 我有点不开心. Don't mistake again. One more grammar learned. Bye.